1.
Hi, I'm Dr. Brett Axelrod, along with Dr. Rick Markson from the Markson Connection, and we want to tell you about our upcoming seminar called Expressions that's going to take place in New Orleans, June 9th, 10th, and 11th.
That's right. At the Markson Connection, we have what we call our triad of fulfillment. The first part is to do what we call practice building. That's your best practice ever. And we completed that gathering in February. So in June, as Brett said, we're going to be doing the second part, which is service to humanity. Not just about practice building inside your office, but in the name of chiropractic, making a contribution somewhere out in the world.
So last year, we took a wonderful trip as a group, as a tribe, to the Dominican Republic through Chiro Mission. We had the opportunity to adjust thousands and thousands of people in indigent villages. In fact, we adjusted over 50,000 people. And our members came back on fire. They had such a great experience that they were breaking records day after day.
So what we decided to do this time was to bring it back to the United States and look for one of the neediest areas. And what we found was the people in New Orleans, still from Hurricane Katrina all those years ago, are still homeless. There are thousands of families uprooted. So we're going to join with Habitat for Humanity. And for the first time, a group of chiropractors will get together and in the name of chiropractic build houses for these needy people.
So if this program sounds enticing to you, we want to invite you as a guest to be with our members. And there are a few ways you can do that. You can certainly go onto our website at www.themarksonconnection.com and look around and see who we are. You'll see a registration button there. If you want to come and register, you're certainly more than welcome to do that. Or if you want to give us a call at 877-740-1177, we'll be glad to speak to you about any question you might have about our program.
Because we're going to do Habitat for Humanity one of the days, you're still going to have plenty of opportunity to meet with our members, meet with other like-minded chiropractors, share, break bread. We will have some other classes and workshops throughout the weekend. So you'll come back turned on, fired up, passionate, philosophically based, and ready to come back to your office, your home, your community, knowing that you just did something for the betterment of all humanity. So if this is right for you, as Brett said, we look forward to hearing back from you, and we look forward to seeing you in June.